And finally, Afrifa setting record news straight concerning MP before any NDC. A him for the for that the record shows. Record me say. The record ma NDC for any MP for how more. And again, a name so omuya kron for pa Afrifa setting record news straight with data and fact. I Penyah block media. Mess was any DM. We be like video now that my subscribers and some click notification on the latest updates. Now better the why you there, mama. Ever comments. As so bad so. No say for any biashe. So, on say on several locations. You talk about this for winning. You say, "O ma target MP because o me a kronfo ye humu subida." All because Kenofrata any Ghana ha. But omusu refi say said the name Tamakulu. Onu si ni Ghana ha. Onu kwa di ye dina seme buane for. Am ye twa J term amount of them 10 years. Ye dinasem in absentia. Wa ma Ghana. Odwane ye ba ye dinasem e buane for bua bono. Am ye twa J term amana so on or ye fugitive. O da na basic Ghana be mo say akwhye cells. Ye be mo no akwhye cells. And before I become my main can be. Me was a lawyer Martin Kpebu na so be kan sem bi afa. Kenofrata ese enko farma no medem. Emma, yeah, or address Kenofrata no. Or can say ever said in am Tamakuro or yengote Martin Kpebu.
To be honest, Saturday so when the NDC won, I thought she would have quickly come back. Because look, the plain truth is that when because she's a high profile person, should have gotten better treatment in the prisons. So for me, the moment NDC won, I was like, when this woman come down quickly, come and serve some years, maybe 3 years, and then the president will pardon her. So for all the time she kept staying there, I kept wondering, I was like, really? What's going amiss? Because your party is in office. We are not hiding it. Because her party is in office, she'll get better treatment in the prisons. Well, look, I mean, it's not everything we can say on air. But that would have been the best time to serve. So that you stay in 3 years. 3 years, when the president grants you pardon, not many people will make noise about it because once you serve 3 years, it's okay. And let's not.
I've always known Martin Kpebu to be a corrupt man. Or you're more corrupt than the OSP Kisiya Jabe. Martin Kpebu. Or you're more corrupt because per this statement, Martin Kpebu is more corrupt than OSP Kisiya Jabe. Because all three say, a nipa ye court of competent judge, a dinasem. Nipa diomansi ka wadwana kwa tambo na ne. Ye dinasem in absentia. Competent judge of justice or competent court of justice. After the case is your dinasem. Ama ye buane for. Ese wa cause financial loss to this state. Uncle 10 years in prison. From there we Ghana. Just say ye dina ye tobe we no free Ghana ko ye dinasem in absentia. Or ma Ghana be one as own Ghana hanum biem. For the 8 years, Nyana Ekufa Tenakunyas were Magana Hada. Just on man of Babedem. And this for Anka said now, all the Brabedem, Oman can't for the 8 years, they were quiet. They never talk. And now, Oforata Kwamanone, Musu do Masika, you've not even tried him in absentia. We do Masika. MPP were able to try said now Tamakuro in absentia. I don't know, Kenofrata won't try no. Fine, and you have like I mean to my how much you are normal. Obiara was here, I normal. Now you know, lawyer Martin Kpebu, as someone who happens to be a counsel, a legal practitioner, you know the law. Unimran a lawyer. Now we can say, oh, said I'm Tamakro's omla, or but at least, or make 2 to 3 years be, or just 3 years be a Mahama, everyman amnesty. Say, when it happens like that, yeah, Ghana phone and share and ye did this, sir. As I didn't try 10 years, Emma, no. Now, we need to 3 years, but no, Johnny, be able to do my seeker. 10 years, omda, because I was a cut out was said nam Tamakro. In the party, anywhere, bam, daddy knows, omda, now, once on the party, ewa bam, or bar, obeying better treatment, even in the prison, no, obeying better treatment. And this is coming from someone I was say, Yemfa OSP position, no, Emma, no. Martin Kpebu si yamfa OSP dwumadi ne yamfa ma no yamfa OSP position e ma na Kisiya Jabe e corrupt on timi nya adwuma nti yamfa OSP yamfa ma na enie e do the position ba be dey honorable Martin o de ba be dey lawyer o de be dey yamfa OSP position ma this is your mentality and I was yamfa OSP position en fa ma o de ba be dey What do you mean? Because if this is your mentality, meaning say you are not coming to execute justice and fairness, but you are coming for witch hunting. You are just coming after the MPP. That is all you want to do. If you can talk like this, and it means that you just want to do witch hunting. You are not looking for justice. It's way, and they are not always speaking. Said you have been pressure. Say on to me, you farmer way. Way. This your mentality way. And they are now more me pressure. Nipa me no say said me do my sick in 10 years. Or me 2 years back. That you know. They normal. What's that kind of but how you talk? Say oh now you Supreme Court judge, but then ka ofurata akwa sentence to be 150 years. They be so homes when means you want to do witch hunting, but not justice. What about yourself no kana? And this one anya mental research is a good for no NLP for no more crom for but Afrifa, you know, for the record, man of integrity, man of fact and data. Always that record ni straight. Now when is someone okay ka.
Na se me so manfo no any day any time wa. Me wia ese metimi there any aban bia wote so. Se me baba so manfo no se me wia manfo no a jail me. Wontimi nya sa na wo hide na akoye na me kokati deal and a plea bargaining 30%. When you kromfo you must be jailed. But the records also shows that between NPP and NDC, NDC is more corrupt than NPP. And not the umpeu. The record shows that between NPP and NDC, NDC is more corrupt than NPP. And in America, we will take you down memory lane from President Kufuor era. Edeba see a year and neya ye kasei. Every time I yedi to me bema NDC say omumra medi to me biano. Omu be free so no omu wia manfo ni say tam. Omu wia manfo to the point that ye jail bi am ya omu presidential amnesty. It yentimi en washe sa ankrofo we. Now all of a sudden they climb the moral high ground. So during President Kufuor time, after Jeje Som ewie, you know, several top NDC officials who served under the Rawlings administration were prosecuted and jailed for causing financial loss to the state. When you small cases, when you petty infractions, these were massive scandal. I costed Ghana millions of cedis. Now the first among them, Owura Kwame Pepra. Eti Owura Kwame Pepra ene de hei. Owura Kwame Pepra former Minister of Finance. In 2003, mo nyini ye no ene ye kai mo ye de mo cut down memory lane. In 2003, under President Kufuor, time was Ankrofo yi som eye oman ni wiye 20 million Ghana cedi causing financial loss to the state. In 2003, Kwame Pepra was jailed 4 years. So between MPP and NDC, if we are looking at the most corrupt party, it is NDC and not NPP. In 2003, Nyamenameka, the record is there. Quality grain scandal, it was there. We all saw it. Owura Kwame Pepra, former Minister of Finance, Uwie Najuma, Yenyina ye aware, say oko jail 4 years. Now, when you Owura Kwame Pepra free wa, to prove that between MPP and NDC, NDC is more corrupt than MPP. And you Owura Kwame Pepra nkwa ko jail. President Kufuor time, ye friend papa way a year Victor Solomi. Gen Z for na mabano. You must learn your history. Victor Solomi echo jail. Were properly convicted court. Convicted in the same quality grain scandal no, or survey time President Kufuor na emso man no pardon o said say was wo yare into man pardon. It between MPP and NDC from 1992 ebesi ne. NDC is more corrupt than NPP. NDC yemu makonya bia so momra medi o man so a won be sore no ma wia o man say tam. Nobody is going to sit down for them to whitewash themselves and climb the moral high ground. Now uyi omu free wa. Papa we your friend Dan Agbodakwi. Obaba ye said the national chairman hopeful or so. Minim so nya you minkai the memory. Former Minister of Trade. He was sentenced 10 years in jail 2007 for conspiracy, defrauding and causing financial loss to the tune of $400,000 to the state. It yet me trauma NDC way and whitewashing home. Na ochina omo meka so omo na ye party a omo dwene manfo ne ho ene fine oforiata na am yenya ye enye oforiata na am yenya ye dia between MPP and NDC ope party omo ya mambofo omo ya kronfo ewia manfo ne pa anytime ye be mo mutumi from 1992 besi ne ye ntimi mfa MPP ni bia nto jail se wo ye kronfo en maka se kufo ado aban ne ye hwehwem na MPP ni bi ye kronfo omu a ya anti MPP ni say ya kronfo party momfa ne nkoto jail ya no bia me hide we criminal don't come and hide behind a NPP ye na nanom ate no manga so mo te em ye de akobokro no ye kwosere manfo ne tumi no nemum the record shows that omo ya kronfo pa wo Ghanaian politics mu a omo the record shows that omo wi amanfo no across financial loss Owura Dan Agbodakwi was convicted by a court of competent court of a jurisdiction. Anya attorney general DAB. Enti Dan Agbodakwi Genzi for no oko jail. Na yenyi eno emfiri ho. Na yen state on record. Owura Chachuchikata between MPP and NDC, the most corrupt political party Owia Manfo no. In 2008, former GMPC boss Chachuchikata caused financial loss to the state. Emma ye jaili no humanitarian grounds in the pardon no, but Menowoka say Chachuchikata was jailed for causing financial loss to the state. Now Ibrahim Adam, former Minister of Agriculture, was also jailed in connection with a quality grain scandal. So we cannot sit down as a nation and all of a sudden, the NDC that we know, very corrupt bunch of people, would whitewash themselves and begin to climb the moral high ground and say, Wamona, Wamumokrono, and Yanokore. MPP is not a corrupt political party. The records are there to show. MPP is not a corrupt political party. They say, President Kufuor era yede eye Chachuchikata etum, yede eye Victor Solomon etum, yede Kwame Pepra etum, yede Dan Agbodakwi etum. These are records. Ubufu, you can argue with your phone. The record shows that they are corrupt, they are thieves, they stole from the people, and these are public records. There is no single MPP person you did not add to jail for corruption. Now, Uyi Enufriwa, in recent times, under President Eye Akufo-Addo, Senokra na Ache, Jomama #1, Efriso, in recent times, under President Akufo-Addo, many nyina ya aware, say Abu Gapeli, Enyamena Meka, the records are there to show, say Abu Gapeli was jailed. Tienye, Mahama #1 appointees, they were prosecuted for 772 million Ghana cedi scandal, the NCA scandal. Abu Gapeli ko jail on it. So Mrs. Awope between MPP and the NDC, the most corrupt political party, the records must show, the records must indicate that it is clearly not a MPP and a corrupt. NDC is the most corrupt political party in Ghanaian history. You can argue with your phones. I don't care. Ubufu won say me the records na echere wo. Ankofa no baby a me the records ana echere wo. Eti obia metwa ntro entumfutro nwani. NDC is corrupt. NCA scandal no. 5 individuals. Eugene Bafu Boni, former board chair of NCA, was jailed. Ye nyame maker maka kyerɛ mo. Nyame maker, the records is there to show. We Abuga Peli. One Eugene Bafuboni mo. They went to jail. William Tetetiabi, Director General, Emma NCA. Alhaji Salifu Mimina Osman, Deputy National Security Advisor. Nana Owusu Ensao, Board Member. George Derek Opong. They were prosecuted in the roles of Omu player. Obia or corrupt between MPP and NDC. The record shows that NDC is more corrupt than NPP. We are no free war. In recent times, Opuni, Tienye, Tie Adeweyi, Opuni, and Collins Dada, Sedu Agongu, they were charged. Prima facie case were found against them. According to prosecutors, over 40 million, 70 million, 98 million plus, and an SC Jeffrey or more. And then NDC, your prosecutor or more, do some point, you know. NDC now was about war fighting corruption, or by was one to scandal, a one to a prosecution, so. Now, and a Thompson scandal, there were prima facie case against them, but Attorney General said on to us so. And Thompson snit causing financial loss to the state. And no Attorney General said on to us what discontinue case, you know. Ope omo ye corrupter Sedinam Tamakulu at Yonu were a member of the NDC and court at jailino. Still, NDC so monk of anema, Ufuriata so ma be topic. But NDC so monk of anema, M1 serving a sentence. So the record shows that between MPP and NDC, Opomo ya kromfo wi amamfo no enye NPP, enye NDC. Let nobody begin to brand the MPP as corrupt. Erikaka, your Okroma a venture capital, Daniel Duku, former CEO. And also, you didn't go court, Attorney General Bayeno, or say on to us. And the Ebeko heard the reasoning behind Attorney General say on to us. Total loss of 42.8 million. Attorney General say on to us. So between MPP and NDC, and Mofra, Gen Zs, you pay the most corrupt we are mine power and NPP and NDC. Even in recent times, double salary scandal. President Akufo-Addo period. 30 NDC MPs collected double salary. Tienye, Akufo-Addo na nkasa nso ye blame you. And you may be your friends and family. Ministers of state are no more members of parliament. Under John Dramani Mahama #1 for 4 consecutive terms. The MPP government took the matter, and what happened? Of course, President Akufo-Addo achew. President Akufo-Addo yesrew se no omusu nim so omo ba be wienti no ma nya omo hwi no se de you. Enya sadia. The record shows that double salary scandal no. There were members of parliament who were double salary. For 4 years, and they almost 1 year proponent of a year probity, accountability, and social justice. Probity, accountability, and social justice, but they were stealing from the people. They were taking double salary. And today, the same people want to lecture Ghanaians on governance. The same people want to lecture us on who is corrupt. NDC corruption is not mere allegations, and your propaganda, and your documentary. This is pure a yet documented history of our nation. Say between MPP and NDC. Opa omo cause financial loss. Omo defrauded the state. Omo procurement breaches, diversion of public funds, and repeated prosecutions. There is no one single MPP a year appointee at Wako jail since 1992 based there. It will be to me make us MPP a corrupt party. MPP a corrupt party. MPP will be a medical car. So obi nso and the Kufuado aban owia obi dia owia amanfo no a Attorney General should stop this behavior of plea bargain and makoje 30%, na makoje na meji 60, na meji 30. Oya sa wo je 30% ni ade. Ana do make market for man say. Me musa Attorney General say. Sa 30% na aka no wan na ekoche. Me de nyama na meka. Attorney General say prosecutions ni bo ho beji mu 70, beji 1% plea bargain. But what you know na makola man so Attorney General the oye de ya koyesa say si the 30%, 70% ne ba. Ene na akowiese bekwa akowiese. Enyam na meka. The market for man on eka. So Attorney General wo pe no match 30% nam so Attorney General de wonte sa. No so ka de che kura nso ye ka asema wonyi ntum wonte sa say. Ti masan Attorney General ti. But the record shows that so obi awia manfo no a munjeli no. We are not a bunch of criminals forming a political party. Our political party was not formed to come and steal from anyone. It is a Hasman was a Asamu Buffer Stockman, so a real man for no and your propaganda in the media. Monfan nem court. Namunko prove beyond reasonable doubt. Where we are man for a mama court in Injelino. We MPP ni na asa woni menya adwene on this position e ye wo wasem enya masem me say obi a ye man tumi so onso manfo no a wawi a manfo no bia monjeli no na asa ne be ye no hunu say Attorney General ne nkrofo omonye wo madwene say wo mbejeli obi a no. We are going to move to our next topic of a year Attorney General nkomo bia omudi ye la Say Mobekai say Omobaye na no mudi ora mebwa. Winim ora no hwinim. But before see ebeko ora no so ye intercepted document be from a year Bank of Ghana. So document way shows that Bank of Ghana is trying to recapitalize or more broad can say recapitalize a year the Deben market. But Attorney General Domlevo ora. NDC propaganda ayo mo de chen so mbe adwuma.
Major concern about the ORA is that it is not going to be successful if we keep or maintain the same legal framework and institutional arrangements for fighting corruption. And my major concern about the ORA is that it is not going to be successful if we keep or maintain the same legal framework and institutional arrangements for fighting corruption and corruption-related issues. What am I talking about? As we speak today, or as you and me, we are having this discussion, to establish guilt against someone for financial crimes, the person, it must be proven by prosecution beyond reasonable doubt. And financial crimes or corruption and corruption-related issues are not issues that are very easy to establish beyond reasonable doubt, because the perpetrators of this type of crime are very intelligent and sophisticated persons, and after receiving the proceeds of crime, they are also able to manipulate evidence, even including influencing the investigators and the prosecution, and at times even the judges. So it is not going to be easy. So I think the low-hanging fruit, which are not being plugged, is what my major concerns, my concerns are about. One, if we had changed the legal framework, said that for corruption and corruption-related cases of financial crimes, one does not need to prove beyond reasonable doubt. Once it can be established that Daniel is in possession of resources or assets that do not match his known sources of income, then the onus should shift to Daniel to prove to us how he or she got it if it's a lady. So if we do that reverse burden or lifestyle audit or unexplained wealth, I am sure that alone can deter people who intend even stealing. And of course, those who have stolen, we can easily get them to refund the money to us and maybe punish them.
So we owura demulefo. On some penny forecast and say wuntimi unioma wo se wo kashiri ana enye. The basic principle of law when it comes to proving for criminal cases, proving beyond all reasonable doubt. And the basic principle of law, which seeks to protect innocent people, is that it will be better, say we save hundreds of criminals, na than see one innocent person akoda jail. Tienye, it's a one innocent person ko jail. That means we've not done justice to that person. So improving criminal matters, unlike improving civil matters, which is probabilities, balance of probabilities. Here you need to prove beyond all reasonable doubt. Domelevo you are aware. Said that is the basic principle of criminal cases.
Comment section. Hi, Penyah Block Media, Accra.